loves curly and shiny hair? Of course, we all love them. So many of us want curly, healthy and shiny hair. Curly hair needs a lot of care. We must not neglect our hair and provide them with care. No need to use chemical products and waste your money. ASWE have got some homemade masks for you. Honey and olive oil mask. Honey is a great agent due to its humectant properties. It moisturizes our hair in a natural way. When honey is mixed with olive oil, it makes a great mask for curly hair. Olive is a main source of vitamin E, which is very great for our hair. It moisturizes our hair. It has anti-inflammatory properties which helps to fight with dandruff. How to use: take olive oil and add 2 tablespoons of honey. Apply it to your hair and leave it for 45 minutes. Wash your hair with a chemical-free shampoo. Repeat these steps thrice a week for shiny and curly and hair. Castor oil and banana mask. Castor oil is rich in fatty acids and vitamin E. Vitamin E is best for hair purposes. Castor oil softens our hair and adds a natural shine to our hair. It gives a long-lasting effect on our hair. Castor oil has proven to be good for curly hair. It makes them healthier and thicker. Castor oil is very beneficial for our hair. Castor oil and banana works perfect together. Banana gives your hair a soft and smooth texture. This mask gives a nourishing and polishing effect. Your hair will feel healthy after using this mask. How to use: mash 1 banana into a bowl. Add few drops of castor oil into the banana mash. Mix it well and apply it to your hair. Leave the mixture on your hair for 30 minutes. Repeat the process twice a week for enhanced hair. Avocado oil and coconut oil mask. Coconut oil contains vitamin E and fatty acids, which is a great way to get curly and soft hair. Coconut oil is antibacterial too. It helps us to fight with dandruff, nits or lice. It promotes hair growth. It's proven very healthy for hair. Coconut oil adds a natural shine to your hair. It acts as a barrier. It also protects our hair from ultraviolet radiations. Mixing coconut oil with avocado oil can bring a great effect to hair. Avocado can be used in oil form. Avocado contains a lot of biotin, amino acids and omega-3 fatty acids, which are very best for our hair. Avocado nourishes and strengthens our hair. Avocado is rich in antioxidants as well, which is the best to remove dead skin cells from our hair and produces new skin cells. Avocado is a very natural moisturizer for our hair as it makes our hair more refreshing. How to use: take 2 tablespoons of coconut oil and 2 tablespoons of avocado oil, mix it well and apply it to your hair. Wash your hair with a chemical-free shampoo after 45 minutes. Repeat these steps twice a week for best results. Egg and yogurt mask. Lactic acid is present in yogurt, which keeps our hair hydrated. It helps to fight with the dead skin cells. Yogurt is a major source of vitamin B12 and proteins, which boosts up our hair and it softens our hair. Such properties in yogurt and honey can help us fight with hair loss. Eggs are very rich in proteins and fatty acids. Eggs helps to grow healthy, thick and straight hair. Egg protects our hair from damage. It strengthens our hair and reduces dandruff as well. It soothes our hair and make our curls healthier and thicker. How to use: beat an egg in a bowl. Add half cup yogurt in the bowl. Mix it well and apply it to your hair. Leave it for 45 minutes. Wash your hair with a chemical-free shampoo. Repeat these steps twice a week for healthy curly hair. Aloe vera and fish oil mask. Aloe vera is rich in vitamin E. Aloe vera is very great for curly hair. It unblocks hair follicles which are blocked by excessive oil. Aloe vera gives a healthy look to our hair. It helps our hair growth. It also reduces problems like itching and dryness of hair. Fish oil is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids. Fish oil contains a huge amount of nutrients and proteins. It softens and conditions our hair. It also prevents our hair from damage such as split ends, etc. Omega-3 fatty acids consists of anti-inflammatory properties which reduces dandruff. It saves our scalp from getting dry. It keeps our hair fresh and strong. How to use: take out aloe vera gel with the help of a spoon. Add 2 to 3 teaspoons of fish oil into the gel. Mix it well and apply it to your hair. Wash it after 45 minutes. Repeat this process daily for smooth and curly hair. Pro tips: drink a lot of water. Stay hydrated. Use oil on your hair every time you wash them. Mustard, olive, almond or coconut, you can use any of them. Do not brush your hair when they are wet, that will cause a lot of hair loss. Brush your hair at least twice a day. Do not let your hair get tangled. Avoid using straightener on daily basis. Heat can damage your hair a lot and make them thinner. Avoid making tight ponytails. Do not let your hair sweat. Avoid letting your hair get dirty. Wash your hair with a non-chemical shampoo. Do not dry your hair with the help of a dryer. Let them dry naturally or dry them with a towel. Follow a healthy diet. Get rid of lice or nits from your hair. Lice can be very damaging for our hair. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.